Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in to Tiffany Baby TV. It's your girl Tiffany. I've missed y'all, but today I'm coming at you real quick, live and in action. I have a human hair banger for you. Her name is Hara. Hara comes from the Beauty Nation shop. She is 100% human hair. She does have a lace part. She retails for $49.99. She is just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Here's what she looks like directly out of the packaging. Inside the cap, you have your standard 3 combs. You have 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and she also comes with adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this wig. I will be using my Hello Hydration, my Herbal Essences conditioner in order to wash this. This is what I always use on my human hair wigs. I do not use shampoo unless there's an excessive product buildup. So this is what I recommend. I'm gonna run in there, I'm gonna wash this wig, I'm gonna beat this face, and I'll be right back so you guys can watch me work. Is more like it. Hello, come on. Somebody hit that like button for this beat. I just slayed this and I know it. Hara has been washed and dried. These curls are still here, obviously. They still are popping. They are still curly. This little human hair baddie, I cannot wait to get on my head. As you can see, she's very effortless. She's very lightweight. She's very easy. She's definitely a toss and go. I haven't done any customization to this. All I've done is put it on and a little bit of fluffing with my hands here. Here is what the part looks like. It is very tight, so I do recommend plucking that part. If you have not already watched my plucking tutorial, make sure that you check that out. I'll leave a card up above so that you can watch that video and learn how to slay your wig like a pro. What I'm going to do now is to apply some powder into this part. This is just the regular face powder that I use. I'm going to add just a little bit of mousse in order to help hold these curls in place. Alright, so here are my final thoughts on Hara. I definitely think that she's a really beginner-friendly unit. There was no lace to cut. This is a very easy throw and go. The only real thing that you need to do before you wear this unit is to wash it, and I do always recommend washing your human hair units. I'd like to give a big shout out to the Beauty Nation for sending this wig over for me to review. Mwah! Thank you so much. You know I love you guys, and you know that I am a loyal and faithful regular. So if you guys don't know about Beauty Nation, I will leave the information down below as to where you can find Hara and plenty of other wigs that I've reviewed on my channel for Beauty Nation. Make sure that you guys check them out. Tell Jack that Tiffany Baby sent you. If you have any questions about Hara, make sure that you leave them down below in the comments box for me. I'm happy to respond and answer any questions that you might have. I appreciate you spending some time with me. As always, make sure that you subscribe before you go if you haven't already hit that button. I appreciate you guys and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Mwah. Bye, loves.